In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Ticketmaster tickets on StubHub in 2026, step by step. To get started, head over to Ticketmaster and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the My Events section and choose the event you want to sell. Before you do anything else, make sure your tickets are actually eligible to be sold this way. What you want to check is whether the transfer option is available for those tickets. That part is important because if ticket transfer is disabled for the event, you generally won't be able to complete a sale through StubHub. Some events have restrictions on transfer or resale, so it's always a good idea to confirm this first so you don't waste time creating a listing you can't fulfill. After that, go to StubHub using either the website or the app and sign in to your account there as well. Once you're in, click on Sell to begin creating your listing. Now search for the event you want to list. Be careful here and choose the exact event and the correct date, especially if the artist or venue has multiple shows. Then enter your ticket details, including the number of tickets, the section, the row, and the seat numbers if StubHub asks for them. You'll also need to set your asking price. As you fill this out, make sure every detail matches your Ticketmaster tickets exactly. Accuracy matters here, because incorrect listing information can create problems later when the tickets sell. Once everything is entered, review the listing details carefully, then check the seller fees and payout information so you understand what you'll receive after the sale. When you're ready, click List Tickets to publish the listing on StubHub. At that point, your job is mostly to wait. If someone buys your tickets, StubHub will notify you, typically by email, and you should also be able to see the completed sale inside your StubHub account. As soon as that happens, go back to Ticketmaster, open My Events again, and select the event you sold. Next, tap Transfer Tickets. Enter the buyer's email address exactly as provided by StubHub, then choose the correct tickets and confirm the transfer. Take your time during this part because sending the wrong tickets or entering the wrong email can delay the process. Finally, return to StubHub and mark the transfer as completed if the platform prompts you to do so. StubHub will then verify the transfer and process your payout based on its payment schedule. And that's how to sell Ticketmaster tickets on StubHub in 2026.